Isn't the best example, but there's lots of footprints in these sandstones from dinosaurs and crocodiles and horseshoe crabs and all the other critters that used to live around here 175 million years ago. Sometimes you even find little footprints from early mammals. Little cute dog. Up here you can see these nice layers of the sandstone that sticks out, and then you've got the clay in between them. And so the sandstone is where you've had high energy events because the sand grains are bigger, and then the mudstone in between them, the clay, that's your slack water. So these are probably repeated seasonal floods, and you can see really nicely how the river channel cuts down into the underlying layers. How cool is that? There's Bay.com, looking for interesting things. You can see the layers here and all these knobbly bits here underneath the river channel. So there's the river channel. That's ironstone forming lice gang rings, and that's because this is a tropical environment, and so you get lots of leaching of iron out of the surrounding countryside. Say countryside, out of the tropical soils, because of the seasonal wetting and drying. Wetting the dries, drying the wets. Now on the other limb, on the other side of the river channel, there's the river channel up there, and these are the underlying sandstones. But look at those beautiful bedding there, those cross beds, cross laminations. This would have been quite a large dune, but then you can see over here it's been eroded and truncated by one of those marine bands, and there's some soft sediment deformation, which is what that is there. So that's pretty fast deposition and erosion happening in one go. How cool is that? You can see all this stuff that was happening 175 million years ago. Bay.com taking photos. There's a close-up for you of all of those iron-enriched areas. The iron could go through this bit, the precipitating fluids, because it was high energy and all of the clay had got washed away, so there's space between the grains for the iron to then pass through in its dissolved form. And then when it met oxidizing water, or water with oxygen in it, it would be precipitated out as iron oxide crystals. And that's what all of that is there, and it forms these structures. And you can see how people would look at these and maybe think that these were bits of ancient machinery or something, but they're actually called lice gang rings, and they're completely natural.